Divine, di ba, while you were inside, na-link ka kay Tin at kay Denise. And vocal ka, na-crush mo talaga si Tin. Pinag-awayan niyo ba yon when you went out?
Hindi, kasi it's different sa bahay. Sobrang hirap. So,
what?
Sobrang mahirap. Ay, tama.
Ano mahirap?
It just makes the day brighter if you have a crush. So,
nakakaloka. Tapos? And she was cool with it?
Oh, and I'm
shocked. Really?
Yeah.
You didn't fight her?
No, it's
Why not?
It's different in the house. I mean, if you're stuck in a house for 5 months and you don't have a crush on someone, I don't think you're human. So, I mean, it's fine. It's a house crush. And the only thing I wanted to know is when she got out of the house, and like, do you still have this crush? She's like, no. So that's all I needed to worry about. It's just, it is what it is.
Pero Divine, di ba kasi, she's really pretty and she looks like a doll, right? So, I'm sure so many Filipino guys must be falling all over themselves for her. So, meron ba kayong napag-aawayan?
Hindi.
Why?
Kasi everyone's so respectful and nice dito. So, there's no one that crosses the line of rudeness or...
Oh, wow. So, okay, kilala ka na ng family niya?
Oh, alam sila.
And they were okay with it?
Yeah, my family loved Divine.
Really?
They were staying... I went to visit back in Australia while she was in the house briefly, and they were up till 3 a.m. because of the time difference, watching it on our TV.
Yeah,
and
her mom watches...
mom watches PVB every day. Every day she watched it.
Bongga, diba? Kasi, bigyan natin ng mic, please, yung isa sa mga girls. Kasi, diba, aminin natin, foreign sila eh. Kaya tanggap na tanggap at pwedeng maging open. Pero sa Pinay, what's your name, ikaw?
Marian.
O, Marian, ikaw, do you think matatanggap ng parents mo?
No.
Bakit?
Parang kasi for them, masyadong immoral yung ganun.
Oo. Hindi, I mean, respetuhin natin kasi 'di ba, medyo conservative I'm sure yung mga parents mo. And then yung aminin natin kasi there was I remember an episode and it aired on a Sunday, right? Na nag-kiss kayong dalawa and PBB aired it. And all the social networking sites were really in an uproar kasi sa Pinoy culture, karamihan sa atin conservative pa rin talaga and hindi handa for something like that. When you hear things like that, na it's immoral, anong reaction nyo?
Well, everyone has their own beliefs. Everyone's different. Everyone's raised different. No family is raised the same as to our family. So, of course, I respect everyone.
Michaela, I hope you don't mind my asking, you tried having boyfriends, but why did you prefer having a girlfriend over a boyfriend?
I found that I get along with men really well, and I just found that after being in relationships with them, that they were more my friends rather than my boyfriends. I am more comfortable with women on an intimate level, so that's how I felt.
Okay. Kevin, na-pressure ka ba the fact na single na siya? Did you feel that you contributed to her breakup?
Opo, I mean...
Ay, oo. Go. Maganda to, go.
Kasi alam ko nag-break sila sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. And I felt bad. I didn't...
Kasi feeling mo, nagpa-cute ka sa kanya, so nagkalakas ng loob makibreak? Kinda.
Kind of.
Oh,
I
see?
mean, kasi I felt bad because alam ko anong pakiramdam sa position yan if you're left for another guy.
Oh my God! Iniwan mo talaga si boyfriend for him? Yung totoo, pa mo.
Hindi naman po.
Pero nagkalakas ka ng loob because there was somebody else.
Opo.
Oh, hindi, di ba magpakatotoo tayong lahat? For most people, it's very difficult to break up unless may sure ka na may kapalit.
Ay, hindi naman po.
O ano?
Yun po, yung dahilan
Kawawa naman ito.
Nung pakikipag-break ko.
Diba? Sakit. O ano?
Yung dahilan po talaga ng pakikipag-break ko noon kasi ayoko na rin naman po makasakit kasi nasa loob nga po ako ng bahay. Tapos po siya na napapanood niya kung ano talaga yung ginagawa ko sa loob ng bahay. Ako rin po, nahihirapan din po ako.
I agree with you, na mas maganda ng end the relationship and move on rather than cheat on somebody. You, Kevin, na-experience mo na, di ba? Na yung girlfriend mo nagloko.
Yeah, she naiwan niya ako for another guy. Sa ibang lalaki.
As in, she told you?
Yeah, she told.
Or nahuli mo muna before she told you?
I caught before she told.
How?
She told me that it started. She took off her pictures on Facebook, and there was another picture of another guy with her. So I was like,
ano ba naman? Hindi na yan huli. Obviously na ayaw na sa'yo. Pinalitan na pala yung pictures eh.
natanong ko sa kanya, like, is there a reason for the breakup? She said, yeah, because there's another guy I met. So.
Oh. And then?
And then, it ended from there.
How long were you together?
3 months.
So, okay, you, as a person, are you the faithful type?
Yes. If you're in a relationship, you might as well be in it
Be
for...
true. Tama. Carlo, na-experience mo na rin daw yan? Niloko ka na rin ng girl?
Yes.
When? Kwento mo yan. Go.
This was back in high school, actually. I caught her cheating with me with 2 other guys.
Paano?
One of her friends actually told me in school
Na?
that she was with another guy.
And then?
And then as soon as I confronted her about that,
She admitted it.
she told me about a different guy.
Ibang guy.
Yeah, so
okay, so parang ang chinismis sa kanya, or yung, di ba, yung inintriga was one guy, pero nung kinonfront, ibang guy ang pinangalanan.
Tama.
Bongga. Ano nangyari?
I broke up with the girl.
Yeah, and then?
We haven't talked or anything, so I was basically heartbroken. I couldn't take it. I had my friends and family there for me.
Well, di ba may boyfriend ka rin while you were inside
Aba,
PBB?
aba.
And then it ended nung lumabas ka?
Nung lumabas po ako.
Dahil?
Kasi
Dahil
syempre,
sumama ka na sa pamilya niya.
hindi, nagselos din po siya doon sa, syempre, nung mga napanood niyang videos doon. Tapos, in-explain ko naman. Tapos parang bumabalik at bumabalik pa rin.
Ay, ito siya?
Like, opo siya.
Uy, ang cute. Parang,
Anyway.
no offense pero ang cute nito. Ano siya?
Ay, ano ba yan?
Anong mix niya?
Half American po.
Ay, ang cute.
Ano ba?
Nagsisisi ka? Na pinakawalan mo?
Hindi
Like?
po.
Ano, bakit?
Ang hirap kasi nung bumabalik pa rin yung, syempre, yung nangyari doon sa loob.
Sinusumbatan
Hindi
ka?
naman.
Hindi,
Oh my God. Hindi naman po parang bumabalik ka, parang naaalala lang niya. So parang every time nag-e-explain ako na nag-e-explain, parang inisip niya, hindi, ganito yung nangyari, ganyan. So parang hirap na. Tapos syempre po,
syempre nalamatan na yung relationship
yun, parang ganon. Tapos habang nasa loob din ako ng bahay, parang may mga balita-balita, ganon. Tapos
Nagloko din siya?
Hindi ko po alam.
Saan mo may bali-balita
Kasi syempre marami pong mga makakarating sa akin na kung,
And tagal
alam mo
din
ba,
naman nun Di ba 5 buwan?
Opo, 3 months po rin po ako nandun. So parang, feeling ko magkakagulo lang tayo kung isip ko may nangyari dito sa labas, tapos ikaw iniisip mo mali yung nagawa ko sa loob. So parang,
yun nga ang tanong. That's why, what makes a person say goodbye? What makes a person stay? And what is it na, like, sa'yo, Pamu, hindi ka ba natatakot na now na nasa totoong mundo na kayo? Or itinadhana para sa inyo. Alamin natin yan sa pagbabalik ng Chris TV.